Hello and welcome back to the Tractor Barn YouTube channel and the classic farming series. We just want to say thank you to all you who are subscribing. We are getting a lot each week, so much appreciated. And if you haven't, please do. We do, like I say, very much appreciate it. Right, we'll crack on now. It's still the year 2000, but we're getting through the months because we are now in August. And we are on the wheat harvest now. We see a Massey Ferguson 40 chomping into some wheat on a lovely summer's evening with a lovely sunset. So he did cut well into the night, if I remember correctly. We have an ERF, or ERF, I don't know how people pronounce it. We always say ERF, articulated lorry, carting away the wheat and unloading on the move, which is always quite nice to see. It's always a bit different, and it makes a change to the tractor and trailer. So yeah, so sit back, enjoy, and I'll see you on the next one.
I will, Jonathan.